Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the 20 denomination notes collection which I have with me presently. So I've got around 11 countries 20 denomination notes, and I've got 13 notes with me presently. So I'll be going to show you all these notes one by one. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first note which I'm going to show you is the British 20 pound note. As you can see here, this is the British 20 pound note, and it is quite a big note. The breadth is quite big, and as you can see here, this is a paper note, and it features the Queen, Her Majesty the Queen on the front side. And you can see here that there's a holographic strip which is provided to give more authenticity to the note. So you can see here the 20 is written here, and if you tilt it, the pound symbol is shown here. So this note is issued by the Bank of England, and as I've already said, this is a paper based note, and this is quite a high quality note, and there are fine intricate designs here. There are 20 written in many places, as you can see here, and here also some small 20 all over it's written here, and this is also 20 written here. And this is issued by the Bank of England, and this is a lavender color type of note. And on the back side we can see here, this is also, there are many inscriptions here, and the serial number is written here, and you can see here they're showing here Adam Smith, and 20 is written on the top right corner. So this is the 20 pound note of England. The next note which I'm going to show you is the 20 Australian dollars. This is also one of my favorite notes. This is very colorful, and this is a polymer note. As you can see here, this is quite a good quality note, and there are many inscriptions provided here. So the photo which is shown here is of John flying, and 20 is written in only one place on the top right hand corner here, and Australia is written here across the note, and the serial number is written here. Coming to the other side of the note, we can see here it's written the Australia again on the same side, and this is a photograph of Mary Rebay, and 20 is written on the top right hand corner again, and there's a see-through strip. So this is one of my favorite notes. It's very, the intricate design and colors are quite good, and polymer note. So this is the Australian $20 note. Coming to the next note, I'm going to show you the United States $20 note. This is a $20 note. As you can see here, it's showing here Jackson, and 20 is written on the top and bottom corners, and this 20 is a color shifting ink. As you can see here, this is a green color, and if you tilt it like this, it becomes dark green or blackish kind. So this is a security feature of color shifting ink, and the United States of America is written here. $20 are written here in many places all over. So this is one of the most secure notes in the world, and I've got many of them with me of this denomination note. And coming to the back side, this is the back side, and you can see here, this is showing the White House, and 20 is written on the bottom and top as well, and the United States of America is written in bold letters on the top side. So this is the 20 United States dollar note. Coming to the next note, let's check out one note of Malawi. The Malawi currency is called kwacha, and this is the 20 kwacha note, and this is not a polymer note, this is a paper based note, but the quality is quite decent and quite good. And here the serial number is written here on the top and bottom. As you can see here, the top is a normal font serial number, but on the bottom you can see here this is an increasing font size. The font size is increasing as you go right side, so this is more secure kind of printing. So this is the 20 kwacha note of Malawi, and Malawi is a country in Africa. Coming on the back side of the note, you can see here that it's showing here some people plucking tea leaves, I believe, along with a background of a beautiful mountain. And this note is issued by the Reserve Bank of Malawi. This is not much colorful note, this is a sober color note, but still the quality is quite high, and this is also a very good note in my opinion. Coming on to the next note, let's check out the next note, which is from Uruguay. So where is Uruguay? Do you know? Please tell me in the comment section below. Don't Google it. Please tell me which continent Uruguay belongs to. So this is the 20 peso note of Uruguay. As you can see here, this is the back side, I believe. Let's check out the front side first. This is the front side of the note, and this is written in, although the script is in English, but the meaning is, I think, in different language, I believe. So this is the 20 peso note of Uruguay front side, and as you can see here, the serial number is written here in red letters in across like that, and here again it's increasing font size, it's showing here. The back side shows a fairy kind of depiction here, and there are many small inscriptions all over. This is a paper note, and the quality of this note is also very high. Coming to the next note, let's check out this note. This is the Maldivian note, and the currency of Maldives is called Rufiya, and this is a polymer note, and this is the 20 Rufiya note of Maldives. Maldives is again a country in Africa, and as you can see here, Maldives is mostly dependent on tourism and aquatic life. So this is depicting the aquatic life and dedicated to the aquatic lives of Maldives. So this is a polymer note, light pinkish color, and on the back side also it's showing a sailboat, I believe. This is a sailboat, yeah. And there are not much inscriptions here, just 2 images, and this is also an average quality note in my opinion, the Maldivian 20 Rufiya note. Coming to the next note, this is one of the most popular notes, I believe, because many people visit this country. This is the currency of Thailand, and this is the 20 baht note, and as you can see, it is light green in color, and this is a paper-based note, and you can see this is depicting the king of Thailand. And one thing I wish to say you that the king is regarded as very sacred in Thailand, so this note is very sacred. You should not refuse this note from a shopkeeper or from anyone under any circumstances, because in that case you are offending their king. So keep that in mind and do not throw this note on the ground. And as you can see here, the front side is written in mostly Thai and English combined. The serial number is written in Thai here, and the bottom is written in English here, and this is 20 is written in English, and this is written in Thai. So there are many inscriptions here, and this is also a good quality note. The back side depicts again Thai people over here, and here it's showing the king in his younger days, I think. And this is a security strip showing on the back side of the note, and many inscriptions are present, which makes this note a very secured note, I believe. So this is the back side of the 20 baht note, and this is the front side. Coming on to the next note, let's check out the note of Egypt. The Egyptian pound, the currency of Egypt is Egyptian pound, and Egypt is a country in Africa. And front side, I'm showing you, the front side is written everything in Arabic, and it's depicting a mosque in the middle of the note, and it's looking quite beautiful. And there's a security strip present here, and you can see here there are many inscriptions all over the note in fine detail. So this is quite a very secured note, and quite a decent note. And coming on the back side, this is showing some pyramid type of things, ancient things, and it's showing a chariot along with a warrior. And this note is issued by the Central Bank of Egypt, and 20 is written in bottom and top both sides, along with many inscriptions over the entire note. So this is the 20 pound note of Egypt. So let's check out the next note, which is of Mozambique, and the currency of Mozambique is called a Metical. And this is a 20 Metical note, and this is a polymer note. This is quite a shiny and uncirculated note, and quite in good condition. So everything is written in here in English on the front side, and security strip is not present here because it's a polymer note, rather a see-through hologram type of thing is present here. So this is the serial number written here in English in vertical direction, and you can see here this is the front side of the note. Coming to the back side of the note, again this is showing a 2-horned rhinoceros here, and 20 is written on the bottom sides and top as well. So this is a polymer note, and the printing is quite fine and quite good, and the note is quite smooth as well. So that was all about the 20 Metical note of Mozambique. Coming on to the next note, let's check out the note of Sri Lanka. So this is the note of Sri Lanka, and this is the 20 rupee note of Sri Lanka, and there are many inscriptions written here, and this note is written in English and I believe Tamil. And so this serial number is written in increasing font size, and there's a owl on the right hand side of the note, and 20 is written in top and bottom, and there's a butterfly as well here. So this is the front side of the 20 rupee note of Sri Lanka. Let's check out the back side. This is the back side of the note, and it's depicting local dancers. So this side it's a straight vertical note, and this is written in Tamil, I think, all the languages, and just 20 is written in English. So this is the back side of the 20 Sri Lankan rupee note, and this is the front side of the 20 Sri Lankan rupee note, which is a paper note, and a very good looking note. Coming on to the next note, this is the 3 notes of India. This is the 20 rupee note. I've got 3 of them presently. So this is the oldest note of India, 20 rupees, which I have with me presently actually. So this is still legal tender, but you don't find them very often. This is the front side, as you can see here, and this is the back side of the note. So this was before Mahatma Gandhi's photograph was printed on the Indian currency notes, and these notes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India still. So this was the old 20 rupee note. After this note came this note featuring Mahatma Gandhi on the front right hand side. So this is the 20 rupee note, and this is a very beautiful color note. You can see watermelon color and orange and red and many other things colors are present. And this 20 is written in many places, and there's a security strip in the middle of the note. And on the back side, we can see here is the back side, the beginning of beach, and many trees are present here, and 20 rupees are written in many languages on the left side corner. So this is a 20 rupee note, and this is the latest 20 rupee note of India, which has been introduced after the demonetization which happened a few years back. And this note also features Mahatma Gandhi but in the middle, and this is you can say a green yellowish color mixed note. And this is a small note compared to the previous 20 rupee note, as you can see here. So this is the front side of the note, and this is the back side of the note, which is showing the Ellora caves of India. And the 20 rupees note is still written in many languages across here, and Reserve Bank of India is written here. So that was all about the 20 rupee note of India. So guys, this was all about my 20 denomination notes from across the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay safe, and bye bye.